Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will start by validating prerequisites. Confirm your Gckey credential and multi-factor method are active, and retrieve your application's client ID and redirect URI. Log into your Gckey account to verify access. Once done, make sure your app's redirect URI exactly matches the registered value to avoid callback failures. Prepare to enable cookies and allow cross-site requests during initial testing. This step reduces common authentication errors and gets you ready to request authorization from Gckey immediately. Next, implement the OAuth authorization code flow against Gckey's endpoints. Construct the /authorize URL with response type equals code, client ID, redirect URI, and required scopes. Include a unique state and PKCE code challenge if using public clients. When Gckey redirects back with a code, immediately verify the state, then exchange the code at the token endpoint using your client secret or PKCE verifier. Store access and refresh tokens securely, and program token refresh logic so users avoid. Finally, complete integration by running thorough end-to-end tests. Simulate first-time consent, token exchange, and authenticated API calls. Verify session behavior across browsers and mobile. Once done, harden with secure cookie flags and session timeout policies. If you hit errors, inspect error codes and HTTP responses. Mismatched redirect URI, invalid client, and invalid grant are the most common. For troubleshooting, enable detailed logs and compare headers and JSON payloads to the expected OAuth flow to quickly pinpoint where the exchange breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.